Two-time baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lina Lameke Nenkosi. God Modibo info for those of you who do not know me, guys. It's been forever. It's been forever. And a lot of people have been saying, dude, come back. We miss you. We need a vlog. Da 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 da. But to listen to you know, and there's barely really nothing to do. There's barely restaurants that you can actually go to, and in order to make proper content, you need to actually plan, go out of Mahikeng and that's so hot, guys. Oh my gosh. And then I get today, we taking proper. I have an appointment today to go and do my nails, but I think I'm just gonna do a young refill because I need to be somewhere. After that, I need to drive to Rustenburg, right? So Easter fitile, Lente fitile, deadlines are met, guys. Yo. Back to hustle, back to school, back to work, back to everything all at once, okay? Everything is just a mess. Kuningi. Oh, guys, the heat in this car. God. Why am I dying? Okay. So, my appointment is at... My appointment is at 12:30, so I'm going to quickly rush there. And I really don't have much set for today, guys, you know? And... yeah, so yeah, so I'm gonna quickly go there and let's see what can come out of today, because hey guys, you know, it's just a whole lot, guys. Yo guys, growing up is not a joke. Growing up is not a joke, okay? Because the responsibilities that come with that is not a joke as well, right? So yeah, I don't know, I think I have an issue with the Livili, but anyways, yeah, this one has literally stood there for quite some time. So you know, once a car literally sits for a long time as I drive, it tends to have issues. And yeah, anyways, yeah, let me just quickly go there, come back, get my mom, and then we're off to Rustenburg. Yeah, hopefully today goes accordingly, guys. But yeah, let's go. I made it. Motho modumo tle ma blom ke ithara ratle ka ma blom
Ow, monoma.
ke reka moriri from temo ka bona gore itse ke eng se ke reke sepe from temo wa diphautle a ke semela ke tse di tshosane ke be ke boraro ke metsi dilo go teng ene tsa maka buffalo wa toatu buffalo ena ka gisho bana by online in tenela go ema, like also the excitement that's so rekile. They look so cute, but because time and my feet I did baby blue. Bona le nna ka re ke a because fatlego sa ka haswe I wasn't very happy at all. I'm running late. So I actually arrived. I literally came here running, okay? I came here running. So at least I managed to get help. Empower Media. So guys, I was wearing sneakers, then Kidirote because I went to go get my hair. Yeah, but the way I'm so tired of vlogging, guys. So it's okay. I just went to Spa with my mom to get like a few things, and I also have to go to Checkers because I've been selected for the Parmalat campaign, Win a Kitchen something. Please do also be on the lookout for that. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go follow. You might win yourself a whole kitchen makeover and a few smeg appliances, and what's the other one? I think La Crochet. I hope I literally pronounced it well because re ka itse go di reka mme mainanyana a tsone ke mathata. But anyways, yes, at Kaone Modimo is my Instagram handle. I'm so tired, I'm exhausted. We had a very long week and weekend. Sleep deprived. Kamo, I was not sleeping the whole week because I had to be juggling studies and you know everything else, deadlines, this and that. So yeah, so go yalo re le ka botshelo mare ka re ga bolekege o itse re phela ka stress bathong. You know, I literally slept so late ke reditse thero ke filela gore o itse re ke tlhoka thero di rang di debit order ngwanaka di debit order di dira what yo yes sis bo tempella iPhone Apple I spacely Apple what oh thugile biltong ya 40 rand a go because ha re itse gore ha ile modimo le ngwana ga go ra go amampeng go a lot and lucky one but modimo phala balong modimo eno phala balong. I'm still in Rustenburg. I'll be driving back to Mahikeng. Malatsi na mokopras. So I didn't even vlog the spa. I tried to, but it was a failed attempt. I'm not even going to do a haul. I bought a lot of stuff. So go tla go lapisa guys. Tla go lapisa gape I feel like I keep doing the same things over and over again. But I need to go to Checkers to just get this thing over and done with. So long ka ke santse ke na le energy a teng. So yeah. What is Rustenburg without muchachos? Oh.
Purify my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me. Father, teach me how to fall in love with simple things.
We pushed the campaign. Mogelo was taking videos. Everybody must have put up. Also, what is a mama? And about to reserve a Tatari influencer. Motaro, Mangero follow. My mom literally gave up on me, guys. She was like, no ways. Now we're going home. So I guess guys, this is where I'm gonna close this vlog. I'm so tired. We had a very long day.
Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again with your death, yeah.
Least favorite place. Morning, guys. Today is a Thursday morning. I just got messages that, listen, you have to be here before 10. I get 20 to 10. I had to rush, like my life depended on it. Guys, wait a king. I'm not really impressed with this year thus far. I really am not. Because but the problems it's just been too much, you know. We've had so many problems with this leap year, guys. Rather I have. Yo, it's not even funny. Like it really isn't funny. A lot, man. Like a lot. We sleep with problems, we wake up with problems. It's a lot. Anyways, I'm trying to get there before. Tomorrow I need to be traveling out. This weekend also. But I get show I do attack my tax in a row. Since I give away get lots of oh guys. Like Hokhonti and Kiwan. So yeah, we really trying to keep our head afloat. Anyways, you gotta get into Pampers. Yo, guys, when you see me, just mind your own business, please. See, like emails, honestly. Like, yeah, emails. It's not even funny. Like emails. But anyways, let us go. It's a good day to have a good day. You know. And I don't guess as a perfume I don't think I put on the one that I really wanted to put on, which is really nice and sweet. But yeah, did you do it? I'm not game. Oh, do you like the pothole happy? Honestly, in this case, do you like doing an account? Literally. So let's go.
2,000 years later.
Yo, guys, the level of period pains I'm at, it's crazy. I'm so uncomfortable. I am not okay at all. I'm trying to rush home. I literally look a mess. I look so terrible. These are the cutest ever. I also got a cheer up meal. Guys, I appreciate all the little things that really try and put a smile on my face. Just gonna put them in water. I need to look for my. I also need to wash my church clothes. I need to look for my passport. I'm not feeling anything. I need to take content for Kotex. I was chosen for some project. If you follow me on my Instagram, you'll get to actually see about it. See it, right? The exhaustion of this year came so early, I do not want to lie. And to say I'm excited about this year. But yeah, let's... Guys, I literally got a call and I was told address, I have a delivery. Get red roses. Karata, get well soon. Kana ema ba pile gore ke hole. Mara hena gore di swa go mang. Wait king. But anyways, they're beautiful. I get mara.
Push your beat. Yeah, push your beat. Turn me up. Turn me up, beat. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push your beat. Cop no hammer for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got shot in the coast back.
So today is a Friday, and I'm with the lovely Vero. Guys, Vero said, you know what, let's go out and just have food out of town. Why not, Miguel? Let's see how the day unfolds. It's gonna be super exciting. Nake happy because so bona okay, how next time it's like na gore bona re go ja breakfast go Tanzania. Because why not? Guys, happy Friday, simolots. I get to santse le semanda na border, but Ramona hela. Listen, it's going to be a very exciting weekend. It's going to be a road trippy day. I'm super excited. Yo guys, I needed this. I need going out of town for leisure. So it was long overdue. Stay tuned.
Can't bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
It smells amazing.
Purify my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me. Father, teach me how to fall in love with simple things. Surely I will give you glory for eternity. You are all I need. Once upon a time the mustard tree was just a seed. Grow my faith, oh Lord, and show me what is heavenly. Jesus, you're the truth, it doesn't matter how I feel. Whoa. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you.
Show me where you are, cause life is so uncomfortable while I'm here in the dark. I walk the narrow path for you, but faith is just so hard. Pride is still my poison, but oh Lord, you know my heart. Praising God no cost, so help me use it as a weapon against the fallen one. Your grace is so much greater than all the sin I've done. You so loved the world that you gave your only son. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide
Can't bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Purify my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me. Father, teach me how to fall in love with simple things. Surely I will give you glory for eternity. You are all I need. Once upon a time the mustard tree was just a seed. Grow my faith, oh Lord, and show me what is heavenly. Jesus, you're the truth, it doesn't matter how I feel. Whoa. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you. I don't wanna be far from you. You're the air I breathe, you're the air I breathe. Help me abide in you.
Show me where you are, cause life is so uncomfortable while I'm here in the dark.
Are you there? Metsi a ka go khama
a tsene mo sebeng mo dinko
ya boshula David ke ba la hela ke go bereka
go berekiwa ke mmala o tlhole o e ja charcoal
gate ke activated charcoal I don't have the pills with me.
I have them, but I don't know. But I have them go through. It's a makaton every day. I get hiking.
Ke kana gana le nna gore I need to always have them mo bekeng.
Ke gona re tla be re ja dilo di gana go fela. So
then I'm gonna have to take them with.
Ke na le powder, ke na le the pills.
Oh, the powder is great. Ukra the powder.
Go in this can.
Is it? I don't have the powder. The powder lo le kutlu.
Ke gone ke utlwang se.
Oh, boshula.
It's also di teng go tlung. But I packed them. Ke ra ke a mistake.
It's like my boy.
Like you know it works quickly.
Yeah, no utlwa ra boshula.
Ke gone ke a utlwa nna ge.
Ha ke bolo gwa no ge nna.
A tsetse ka dimpano ya.
I'm telling you. Ke metsi a lona a le bapolwang ka one. Kapa ba tshomba bapolwa ka metsi. E tshwaile gape thata guys. We still have a long way to go. This was a beautiful Bona re ba setlhaya. Ya go itshasa Vaseline. Ga e tšhae gabedi banaka. Re hetsa go tsaya shawara fela. Complexion ya ka e buile ka short. Ene re no gantla be re go irela makgaga motho o motona. Re mo tseleng. So we are going back to Mahikeng. So from Mahikeng we are going to Gaborone. We are going to Botswana. She's going to Lubatse. I'm going to Gaborone. So literally I have a longer ride to go. I'll be dropping her off Lubatse and then I'll be driving straight to Gaborone. I don't know how long that is going to take. I have to also pass by McDonald's. Ke ska ke a bona ke Botswana. Wa itse go re keng? Ga go bonolo ngwanaka. Go tlhele. Fun was here. Mahikeng o ka irele ha ngwanaka. Hey.
Okay, ke o tsang go
Ikaro wa suit. Oh, I have water.
like me.
Seem real clear through a fine glass. Magnify you like a spyglass. Number one, be my desire. Like the world and burn like a fire.
I ain't tryna be at the forefront. And no, I ain't tryna be the face of the movement. I don't wanna take your place. I don't wanna take your glory. Let my life be like glass so other people can see you. Let my heart be the path that lets your light come flooding in. I don't wanna be a barrier to your being the desire. I wanna be like glass. I wanna be seen. Yeah. All I wanna show is you. All I wanna show is you. Let your light shine through me. All I wanna show is me. I can't lie. Oh. Sometimes I really be proud. Sometimes my spirit is haughty, my heart is conceited. I wanna take all the glory. Me, I can't lie. Oh. Sometimes when I'm on a roll, and I wanna hear crowds screaming my name, telling me, Sally, you're doing the thing. Pull up myself, killing the game, trying to keep all the glory for my name. Yeah. But it's not about me, no. No, it ain't about me, yo. It's always been about you. You're the center of the universe. All I wanna show is you. All I wanna show is you. Let your light shine through me. All I wanna show. Wherever I go, I will shine your light.
Second location. Getting other bags ready. Ho thata yana ngwanaka. And the time is 8 minutes before 8. Ke mathata. Ke madimo ke nako mang ke 8:30. Re santse re le mo nwela re iketlile. Ke pick up McDonald's. Batswana ba rata McDonald's. Wa bona ke re gore le ba ba mo Mahikeng. First things first, McDonald's. Ba bona ke ga nna se tla re bonang re bo re se re le mo bona re. We literally have to park and trek. In fact, we have to start running because wow. Ngwanaka or ka sula halwa. I'm telling you. Ena no mbona ra Botswana e lapisetsa gore e dingalo too much. Sister tempile re khona go mara go ra go ema lobaka le le kae. Serious. Yanong e yone ya kae. Ke rai. Because usually the lorry tshwantse di nne side e one mos. Murife, don't run. Murife. Murife. Oh my God. Sarah. We are in trouble. Ma? Guys, literally 11:15 and I'm still on the road. I just dropped Osvero and I'm on my way to Gaborone. So I still have a drive to go, okay? I still have a drive to go. But guys, hepo mudimole badimo ba le teng. I wanna make it safe. I'll be okay. Not me getting lost this late alone. Literally not me getting lost, hey? 11:30 in the night. Nah, getting lost, okay? What's king? Literally, you know when you start seeing these lights that you're very close to where you're going. It's literally 5 minutes past 12 a.m. I'm so tired. The level of headache that I have, my back hurts. It's a massage. Yo. I just saw a shooting star. Anyways, let me go, guys. Later. I'm at a garage. I'm so tired. I tried to restart my phone. I tried to roam. It's not working. So I had to walk up to some gents. Obviously, they looked very shocked to see me. I guess traditional healers are not a thing here. Yeah, so at least they helped me. I managed to make a call so that you know. So I wait. I'm so tired. The thing is, but I'm just happy I made it safe and sound. Not everyone makes it to where they're going. It's so many things delaying. From Mafikeng to Rustenburg, from Rustenburg back to Mafikeng, and then to Botswana. I'm so tired. Ngikhathele. I'm at Game City, so just have Nando's just here by the back. I think I should eat even. Hi, baby.
dreams don't know.
What a wild night, guys. I slept around 4 a.m. It's not even funny. I'm so tired. Woke up around 8. Bella woke me up, getting ready for work. So, yo, it's a lot. I'm with a pretty little Arifer. She's so grown, guys. So I'm gonna take my. I'm gonna bath, get ready, and see what today has in store for me. Yeah, I need to make the most of today to go tomorrow sometime. So yeah. Hey now.
But it's masquerade.
So you are the Grinch.
No, I'm not the Grinch.
Then what inspired the look? Seem deluded. So they break into people's cars. I thought there were no thieves in Botswana. Really? Hectic. I gave you guys too much credit. Eased up with my minions. Steve's on point. Please, better recognize. Say hi to my people. Usarifa is leading us, making sure that we have everything we need for movie night and Friday. The what? Big sister duties. And where's the ice cream place?
I've never been bought so many snacks.
Are we lost?
We're supposed to go.
We are lost because of you, ma'am.
One of them.
Oh, we here?
So luckily, nobody's house.
Yo. Imagine had somebody found it. Which one do you want? Which one does she want? Here, come. Cheers. How? What is no, that is all, man. Thank you. Getting for my sister and brother. You're in the preps. But kate neileng kana khula beke ne e trenda. No ke phula box ngwana ka go bono at all.
So good, so nice.
Sala ka le pantsola la 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 la. African dollar in dirang. You guys, the pula di tamik.
me feel oh it's dangerous.
Hi there, everybody. So what happened is it's a Sunday today and I'm going back to South Africa and my angels are not happy with me. My babies are not happy with me. One was like, why are you leaving so soon? You could have left tomorrow or you could wait for holiday. Forever since they saw me, so I just come and get 2 minutes. Ma! Happy work has me by my throat. School and stuff and other responsibilities, so I fortunately can't stay longer. So, no, I will have to remix that because I think but my minions were not having it with me. Why are you going back so soon? Please stay longer. Please leave when we have holidays. And I'm like, I know it's been forever since I've been here, but I have responsibilities. I have work. I need to go back to, so I'll visit. My heart was so guys, I really didn't really spend much time living. It really hurts, but what can I say? Botelo. We have things. It's sad to say goodbye, but the weather is amazing. I'm actually very sad that I'm leaving as well, but the timing of things, we need to go back to life, Earlier on we went out to go drop over Titabi, so we came back. I didn't even vlog. We came back and he was also shocked, dude, why are you leaving so early? And I'm like, work.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me. Gorgeous.
Friends that turn into family. More like a family. It's getting hella killing, man.
I just caught a shorty off a fence, just to honor really, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, Certain things have started getting tense, think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down.
Beautiful. It looks
right
cute.
now. I would rather see my heart turn to gold. Rather see my heart turn crystal.
Keep the rainbow hair.
Like
there's nothing dramatic about
right
it.
now, I'm just
no
up
drama.
inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about
Hair
to
on the
pop up
bottom,
on your phone.
the how you
Like,
pour
I'm
them
outside in
out.
that right outside, TT. Two-time baby girl, you know me.
Oh, what's in now?
All the niggas around me,
where is the salt?
gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me.
One side.
Yeah.
Hi, can you have a picture?
Heart still on traveling, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Yeah, but I'm supposed to go back home. The time is 5:30. Gotta get 5:30. Wow, guys, for soft hands, I'm plugging you. It's a disclaimer. Yes, babe. Oh, baby, cause you always be my baby. Oh, darling, cause you always be my baby. I will meet you at the river. Some turning bloom and Baba Nima Bam, I was playing Mona. I just want to see when it's only last time. My soul goes there. Finally make it out of this place, guys. I'm so tired. What time is it? It's 9 minutes before 6. Sounds like I'm hiking. But we shall make it. We shall definitely make it. I have no choice.
Traveling continue on is nowhere to be found.
I've been waiting. Okay, there's no network here. Are you coming here? Am I fetching you here? What's going on? Hey, definitely. Do I continue following you again? As we go home, as I go home rather, because oh my god, no. Just following. Hacker! Hey now! How bonolo! Hey, it's what time is it? It's almost 9. It's almost 7.
Hey, what's up,
It's almost 7.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.
The water is so dark. Why is the water so dark? Why is the water so dark? When the water's so blue. Yeah, this is some dodgy place.
Oh, and this is the only hotel
In Lobat.
Oh, so again, like it's on Homo time.
Akhera. So this guy what's there? No, but it looks better here.
No, it looks nice, man, until you see the back.
Oh, the pool? This is where you were swimming.
No, I think I'm nice when we go to the campsite.
Oh, yeah. So this is the only hotel in Lobat?
The hotel.
The.
Yes. And it's unfortunate because Marikayans.
Okay.
Like, gate early. Bona gate early.
It's okay.
The gate. Wait, what?
It's giving farm.
Wow.
Eh. So how check in about file the remote? So rona ra ke. Guys, we're at some Dodge hotel. Apparently it's a V. Fela.
Ma?
Pizza ya chotho, my darling. Botswana. Solo sa koloi se ratile go tswa. It would be a good title. Car door falls off. Because people people just want to go. South Africa ka 22 pelo tsa rona di huduegile pelo tsa rona di huduegile ga go bonolo. People like usually excited to come back home. It's not the case on our end. Okay, we could have more time. I get. Hey, depression la momo tadi. Depression mo motsadi ke tsaba go tempa ka bona go dikoloi di tlogelo yala di sa light di sa tswalwa e bile di light. Yalo bora ra ya maseru yone ka go bora maseru nya go setse go tsamaya re go rogile a gona go kare a re bone re bereka ya Maroko modimo batho ba modimo a ke gona go boela gae e wile ya mokgethi.
In 2.3 kilometers, at the roundabout, take the first exit.
That's why.
One of 4 engine garage. O turn right like go feta for pele engine garage.
In 4.5 kilometers.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the
man.
Yes, ma'am.
But it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Kirmar.
It's beautiful. It is a baba shorty.
Please.
This is the one at the long tongue.
The lodge, the lodge can have the spider.
La gospa. Alright. Let's see if I can go gospa. La straight. Ali jigi halere. Jigi don't hide jigi. What I'm saying when the bella don't straight so. It's a bella.
Holiday. Ako na holiday hele hitang hela kuna lona. Let's a serious.
Designated driver, check her smile.
Park at your own.
Please, what's working? I don't know. Passengers, princess. Park at your own risk. It's 9 o'clock. How great. Trakaza tenge karitza border rambombela. Yo. I was in Gaborone this weekend, guys. I received so much love. I was so humbled. I really did not think I mean so much to people. So I didn't think I touched souls like that, but I was humbled by the experience and the love I received. And yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, guys, I shall definitely see you in the next vlog.